Today I am going to teach you something very important concept which will help you to make decisions, especially when it comes to life, success and money. That is Pareto Distribution Principle, which is used in economic study and maths. Originally it was developed to understand wealth distribution in society, but you can apply it in various aspects of your life. There is lots of maths involved in this, but I will try my best to simplify it for you.
A lot of boring math later.
The Pareto Distribution Principle says that 80% of outcome are due to 20% of cost. Example, 80% of wealth is owned by 20% of people in this world, which are billionaires. And here is another example of education system. If you look at the top 20% of colleges like Harvard, Oxford, IIT, once you get into them, then your probability of becoming wealthy or successful increases significantly, which is the reason why most billionaires are from elite colleges. Here is 80-20 pattern. 80% of your life success, aka outcome, is dependent on that minor 20% of your hard work or privilege or luck which you have for getting into elite college. So there is this invisible 80-20 rule which can be observed in various aspects of our society, especially when it comes to wealth distribution. Apart from this 80-20 rule, Pareto distribution principles also talk about exponential functions. Like I said, there is lots of maths involved in this, but I will try my best to simplify it. When it comes to success or failure, most people think that it's a compounding effect of your hard work, but it doesn't apply all the times. Sometimes success is exponential and so is your failure, which means if you got success in few tasks, then your probability of success in your next task increase exponentially. It is like success and overnight success, and then failure, death. And this is the reason why the 1% rule always works, because your growth by 1% each time eventually will be exponential growth in long run of your life. Now because of this exponential function, sometimes it's hard to be successful and sometimes it's easy to be successful depending on the privileges and other variables in your life. Pareto distribution principle is applied in almost every aspect of our life, especially in wealth and money. So arm yourself with knowledge because you will never know when you need it. So let's recap what we learned today. First thing is 80-20 rule. We learned that there is pattern of 80-20 rule in any form of wealth distribution. Second is exponential function. Success and failure both are exponential in its nature. That's it for today's video. To get more wisdom, subscribe to my channel and share this video with everyone, and make sure to smash the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.